Let me guess. You have watched people work from Bali beaches, sip coffee while editing videos, or casually drop, I am a freelancer, like it is a superpower. Meanwhile, you are stuck Googling, can I freelance with no experience? Spoiler alert, yes, you can. No fancy resume, no Silicon Valley internship, just Wi-Fi time and a willingness to learn. Today, I am giving you the step-by-step guide to start freelancing from scratch, even if your only current skill is sending memes faster than the speed of light. By the end of this video, you will go from I am curious to I am booked. Let's go. Start with what you know. Here is the truth. No guru tells you you do not need to be an expert to start freelancing. Think small. Can you write decent emails, manage a calendar, make TikToks or edit photos, use Google Docs without crying? Congratulations, you already have marketable skills. Start with what you know, even if it seems basic to you. To someone else, it is a time saver, and time is money. Freelancing is not about being a genius. It is about solving someone's problem efficiently and consistently. Pick one platform and set up shop. Now that you have identified your starter skill, it is time to pick your battleground. Do not try them all at once. Choose one platform. Fiverr if you want gigs to come to you. Upwork if you are ready to pitch. TopTal if you are advanced, we will get there. Or Contra Freelancer, or People Per Hour for niche vibes. Set up your profile like it is a first date, clean, clear, confident. Use this formula, hi, I help target audience with problem by doing skill. Bonus tip, use AI tools like ChatGPT to polish your profile until it shines brighter than your crypto watch list. Create a portfolio without clients. Wait, what? No experience but still need a portfolio? Yes, and here is the trick. Create samples. Fake it strategically. If you are a writer, write a blog post. Designer, make a logo for a fictional brand. Video editor, cut together a YouTube intro for a made-up channel. Upload your best 2-3 samples to Google Drive Notion or a free portfolio site like Card. Why does this work? Because clients do not care who paid you. They care about what you can do. And with a clean portfolio, you will go from I am new to here is what I can do. That's power. Pitch like a human, not a robot. Now the scary part, reaching out to clients, here's the good news. 99% of freelancers pitch like robots. You would not. Craft personalized messages with this formula. Greet them by name. Mention something specific about their project. Briefly explain how you can help. Add a link to your sample. End with a question like, would you be open to a quick chat? Keep it short. Be kind. Be helpful. Be real. Even if you get 10 numbers, all it takes is one yes to start momentum. Every pro you see today was once a newbie who hit send anyway. Start small. Deliver big. Build fast. First job? Keep it simple. Do not aim for $1,000 gigs on day one. Take a smaller project at $20, $50, maybe even $10 if it builds your profile. Why? Because your first client is your first testimonial. Over-deliver like your rent depends on it, because maybe it does. Be on time. Communicate well. Add a small bonus. Make them say, whoa, I was not expecting that. Great reviews is equal to more trust, higher pay, and freedom. Freelancing is a snowball. The first roll is tiny, but once it starts rolling downhill, it is unstoppable. Let's take a pause. You are not just watching a video anymore. You're learning how to build a life where you call the shots, where your income is not capped by your job title, degree, or zip code. Freelancing is not just about making money online. It is about owning your time, choosing your clients, and saying no to toxic bosses and soul-sucking shifts. Even if you are brand new, this is your moment. No more. I am not ready. Because you are. You have a skill. You have access. Now you have the steps. So what are you waiting for? If you are serious about this journey, the next step is clear. Level up your skills. Because better skills is equal to better pay. In our next video, I will reveal the top high-income skills you can learn from home with free tools, tutorials, and zero gatekeeping. Skills like copywriting, coding, design, and more ones that get you paid well and often. So if you are ready to take freelancing from side hustle to main income, click the next video, hit that subscribe button, and let's build your future one powerful skill at a time. Because freelancing without experience, that is the past. Freelancing with power, that's what is next.